As companies look for ways to improve their bottom dollar, one area that's typically forgotten in most companies is improving your warehouse. And the problem is that your warehouse contains about 90% of your total company's assets, a significant number of your work staff, and everything that they do in the warehouse gets turned into an office staff person that spends even more time updating Agility. DMSI hasn't forgotten about the warehouse, so we came up with a way to help you out and to make you more efficient. Our applications are called mobile solutions. And what the process is that operators will log in on a wireless handheld device to perform their tasks as they're performing them real time in the warehouse. This saves paperwork going back and forth between the office and the warehouse, office staff calling the warehouse to find out the status of orders or picking or whatever the case that the warehouse is doing, and the time used in data entry in the office environment itself. An example of this is going to be work order completion. Operators will log in on that wireless handheld terminal and select the work order completion process. At this point, they're prompted with this transaction number of the work order that they want to complete. I'm keying it in, but as you can see, ideally they would put a shipping label on the jamb of a door or of a window, and the operators would scan this transaction number. They'll hit continue, and now it prompts them with all the information related to that work order that they keyed in. Work order transaction number, the sales order that it's linked to, the expected delivery date, who it's going to, the item number, the description, the total quantity ordered, the quantity that's been completed so far, and the remaining quantity. This field contains the description of the work order, and if it exceeds the amount of space available here, operators can hit the expand key to see more information. Once they're ready to go, they can hit continue, and now they're prompted for the quantity that they want to complete and the location that they're going to put it. Again, the thought process is that you would put barcodes on your carts and operators would scan that cart information. This helps in getting the completion, but also in the picking process that cart information or the location it was stored will print on delivery paperwork, or ideally display on the mobile picking application to direct pickers and loaders where to go and pull the material from to save a lot of time looking. Operator will then hit complete and be taken back to prompted with the next work order so that they can just scan individual doors as they come off the line. If I put my transaction number in again and hit continue, you'll see that now 8 were ordered and 7 have been completed. So there's no delay in the office knowing the status of a work order. There's no time spent in the office. Operators are just taking care of this process while they're performing their normal tasks. The benefits are pretty evident right off the bat. Please give DMSI Productivity Solutions a call if you have further questions.